Hello, everyone! You can use videos to learn or practice your English skill. You can listen to how people talk, learn new words, and repeat after them. Today, I want to talk about watermelon. Watermelon is a big round fruit with a green skin and red flesh inside. It has many small black seeds. Watermelon tastes sweet, cool, and very fresh. It is one of the most popular fruits in summer because it helps us feel cool when the weather is hot. I love watermelon very much because it is not only delicious but also healthy. Every time I eat watermelon, I feel happy and relaxed. When I was a child, my parents often bought watermelon for me and my sister. We used to sit together, cut a big watermelon, and eat it after lunch. Those moments were very happy for me. Watermelon has a lot of water, about 90%. It helps our body stay hydrated, especially when we play sports or go outside in the sun. It is also good for our skin and helps us feel fresh and full of energy. There are many ways to eat watermelon. The simplest way is to cut it into small pieces and eat it fresh. Sometimes people make watermelon juice, smoothies, or even ice cream. In summer, I often drink watermelon juice with ice. It tastes so good. Watermelon is easy to find in Vietnam. In my hometown, people sell it at markets or on the street, especially during the summer months. Sometimes we buy one big watermelon and put it on in the fridge. When we eat it cold, it feels even better. Watermelon also has a special meaning in Vietnamese culture. On Tet holiday, Lunar New Year, many families put watermelons on the table as a symbol of good luck and happiness. The red color inside the fruit means luck and joy, while the green skin means peace and freshness. Every Tet, my family always buys 2 big watermelons to decorate our house and to eat together. I also like to eat watermelon when I go to the beach. After swimming or playing volleyball, drinking cold watermelon juice makes me feel fresh again. Sometimes my friends and I share one big watermelon and eat it under the umbrella. We laugh, talk, and enjoy the sweet taste together. It's a simple but beautiful moment. Watermelon is not expensive, and it is good for everyone, children, adults, and even old people. It is full of vitamins, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. These are good for our health, skin, and eyes. Even though watermelon is sweet, it has few calories, so it's also good for people who want to stay healthy or lose weight. Some people eat watermelon after exercise because it helps them feel strong again. When I eat watermelon, I always feel the taste of summer. It reminds me of the sunshine, the beach, and my happy times with my family. I think watermelon is not only a fruit, but also a symbol of joy, freshness, and love. In short, watermelon is my favorite fruit because it is tasty, healthy, and makes me happy. It gives me energy, helps me relax, and reminds me of the good times in my life. In my opinion, watermelon is not only a fruit, but also a part of happy life. Every summer, when I see watermelons in the market, I feel excited because I know it's time for sweet and cool days. Sometimes I help my mother choose a good watermelon. She always knocks on it and listens to the sound. If it sounds deep and clear, it means the watermelon is sweet. I learned this small trick from her. When we come home, we cut it together, and I love to see the bright red color inside. At family parties or picnics, watermelon is always the first fruit we bring. Everyone likes it, especially children. If you haven't tried watermelon yet, I really recommend it. It's one of the best fruits in the world. Thank you for reading my story about watermelon. What about you? Do you like watermelon too? If you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell to receive notifications early. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.